Creating eye-catching thumbnails is essential for grabbing viewers' attention and driving clicks. In this guide, you will learn key strategies and tips to design thumbnails that stand out and attract more engagement. Get ready to boost your visual appeal and make your content irresistible. So basically, you can easily create good thumbnails by using Canva. But if you want to know the basic of creating amazing thumbnail, then you have to watch this video. You have to go to your Play Store first, then you have to search for Pixellab. Here it is, you can see the Pixellab application. After that, you have to install it. So this is the first step. In the second step, you have to go to your Google Chrome and you can easily download any expression of any picture, or you can also use your own picture. Let's say this is the picture I want to download, just download it. After that, you have to search for remove BG. Okay, just go to that particular website, remove.bg, because you have to remove the background of your particular image that may be downloaded or maybe your picture. So just tap on upload image and upload your particular image from your gallery. Here it is, I have uploaded that particular picture that I have downloaded. Now it will remove its background. Here it is, you can see how easily it has been removed. Now just tap on download button and it has been downloaded. So the second step is over. Now you have to download a beautiful background. So I will suggest you to download the gradient background. Okay, just search for gradient color. That may be red or maybe blue. I'm just searching for blue. Or if you have any picture for yourself in that particular context, you can just add it. I'm just downloading it for in general context. So I think that would be great. Just tap on it and download it. Okay, now the another step is over. Now you have to go to the Pixellab to go for it. So this is the home page of Pixellab. Just tap on the three dot button from the top right corner. Here it is. Now tap on image size from here. Now you have to choose the 1920 in white and in height 1080. So that's the ratio for YouTube thumbnail. Just delete the text for the first place. Now tap on the plus button from the top left corner. Tap on the gallery and select a particular gradient picture from your gallery. Here it is. Just use the 16:9. Okay. Tap on it and adjust it here. Again, tap on the plus button from gallery and now select your that particular removed background image. Okay, now just place it anywhere you like. I would suggest you to place it on the right side. Now tap in the middle part from the bottom part. Okay, now scroll down until you find the option stroke. Here it is. Now just enable it. Now choose the color white or whatever you want. White is more suitable here. Just increase it. You can see that looks better. Now just tap on the select mark. Again, tap on the plus button. Now tap on the text button and add your text like make good thumbnails. Use the bold letter or the uppercase letter. Make good thumbnails. This is the basic. You can use your own creativity. Just tap on the OK. Now go to the text button from the bottom. You can see a button here. Here it is, A button. Just tap on it. Now first of all, you have to go to the align option. Make it to the middle. Okay. Now you have to go to the font option. Choose your favorite font. There are a lot of fonts here, so I will choose this one. Now increase its size by tapping on it or stretching it. Okay. Now you have to go to the stroke again to increase the stroke. You can see here it is, or you can just choose another color. You can see there are many options. You can easily just roam around it and find it easily. So I will basically go to the color option and increase the white button. I think that also looks better. So this is how basically you can create amazing thumbnails here. You can also add any other things. Just go to the gallery. Again, you can download any sticker if you want. So this is how basically you can create amazing thumbnails. Another thing you can do it if you want to make this image at the front. Just tap on the middle. You can see a two front option here. Just tap on it. It becomes in the front. You can see it's in the front. So that may give you more vibe that is in the background, the text is in the background. So this is basically you can add anything in the background like that, any text or any other picture or any other man in the background. So this is the basic way to make good thumbnails. And if this tutorial helps you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.